Hi, my name is Bill. This is Flatbroke Garage, my little YouTube channel. I've put it together, kind of document some of the things I've been digging out of the woods and junkyards, getting back on the road. But this is one of 300 or 350, I believe, golden anniversary Chevy Impala. Well, there we go, guys. Rescue. Let's see what she'll do.